This sensation could serve as a crucial indicator in pinpointing individuals who may not be deserving of trust or respect. In this comprehensive guide, we aim to unveil the 10 archetypes of individuals prone to betraying your trust. Our objective is not to foster a world of suspicion, but rather to employ Stoic wisdom for refining judgment and safeguarding well-being. Encountering betrayal, especially from those we trust, is unfortunately commonplace. Stoicism, an ancient philosophy emphasizing self-control and rationality, provides invaluable insights into character discernment. Recognizing these 10 types of untrustworthy individuals transcends mere pessimism. It's about cultivating wisdom and thoughtfulness in choosing whom to trust. These indicators are not abstract concepts, they are actionable insights with enduring relevance. They aid in navigating intricate social interactions, enhancing comprehension of human nature. Stoicism, in this context, acts not just as a philosophy but as a practical guide for nurturing authentic and trustworthy relationships. Identifying manipulators constitutes our initial focal point, delving into the depths of those who should be approached with caution in Stoicism. While Stoic values prioritize honesty and straightforward relationships, manipulators engage in deceptive tactics for personal gain. Detecting manipulation is challenging, often concealed beneath the surface. Signs such as secrecy, inconsistent actions, or feeling constantly under their control should raise red flags. Establishing boundaries is crucial when dealing with manipulators, advocating against discomfort-inducing behaviors. Next on our scrutiny list is the provocateur, a type adept at unsettling others and persistently asserting their correctness. Stoicism teaches composure maintenance, but these individuals pose a genuine test, causing irritation even on the best days. Their deliberate introduction of confusing ideas and subtle sowing of doubts demands vigilance. Stoicism advises against impulsive reactions, urging observation and mindful responses. Dealing with provocateurs entails stepping back, observing, and choosing engagement methods that preserve peace of mind. The constant critic emerges as the third type to exercise caution around, individuals incessantly pointing out flaws in others. Stoicism encourages observation and learning, revealing that constant criticism often reflects the critic's insecurities and dissatisfaction. Maintaining distance from perpetual complainers becomes paramount, as their negative focus on gossip impedes personal growth. Steering clear of such negativity is not just self-defense but a conscious choice to surround oneself with honesty and respect. The chronic complainer, our fourth type, thrives on perpetual battles, portraying life as an unending struggle. Despite the constant stream of problems, these individuals seldom take steps to alter their circumstances. Associating closely with them carries the risk of their problems permeating into your life. Balancing empathy with self-preservation is key, offering support while setting boundaries to avoid being burdened by their perpetual battles. The fifth type, a social chameleon, exudes friendliness and charm, seemingly ever-present for you. However, their primary interest often lies in enhancing their popularity and image, treating relationships as a means to expand their social kingdom. Be cautious of becoming just another face in their vast but shallow pond. Prioritizing relationships with depth over superficial connections aligns with Stoic values, fostering genuine connections. The sixth type, the pretender, feigns listening but exhibits disinterest, turning conversations into one-sided monologues. Authentic communication requires engagement, and dealing with pretenders involves recognizing the lack of reciprocal interaction. It is entirely acceptable to end such monologues, preserving energy for those who genuinely listen and reciprocate engagement. Toxic individuals, our seventh type, emit negativity, playing mind games and disrespecting others. Recognizing signs of constant criticism, manipulation, and disrespect prompts the establishment of firm boundaries. Pruning these toxic relationships is akin to preserving mental space and peace of mind, fostering an environment where one can thrive. The two-faced individual, our eighth type, adeptly presents a friendly facade while engaging in harmful behaviors behind the scenes. Stoicism's emphasis on discernment and honesty guides actions, prompting a distancing decision to preserve inner peace. Building connections based on mutual respect and honesty becomes a priority, aligning with Stoic principles. As we conclude our exploration of these 10 caution-worthy types of individuals, the emphasis is on the importance of surrounding oneself with positive influences. Avoiding negativity and cherishing meaningful connections contribute to fostering an environment where one can thrive. Real-life experiences with these types provide valuable lessons, shaping strategies for navigating diverse social dynamics. Share your encounters and insights in the comments, extending the conversation and enriching collective wisdom on building healthy relationships.